Hello and welcome to Business Expert. I'm Chris Farman, and this week I'm going to be casting my eye over the Airwallex Expense Management platform. I'm going to explore how it works, how it can help you, and most importantly, whether it's any good. Now, one of the most common challenges for small and medium-sized businesses is staying in control of their spending as they scale. As they grow, they often lose oversight of their team's expenditure, and the manual tasks they once relied on can become hugely time-consuming. And this is a big issue. 59% of UK businesses say that they do not have complete control or visibility over departmental spending, with 54% seeing cost streamlining as a virtual strategy. Now, when faced with a problem like this, scaling businesses typically use tech to solve it, but ineffective software and fragmented tools can make the situation worse. What every growing business needs is a streamlined expense management solution that saves time, keeps finance teams in control, and has everything you need in one place. And that's where Airwallex comes in. Airwallex is a global fintech company with products that streamline finance operations. That includes a comprehensive expense management platform that's easy to use, eliminates manual tasks, and allows you to track and control your spending in real time. Now, in this review, I'm going to steer clear of the tech mumbo jumbo and take a straightforward look at what Airwallex Expense Management does and how it can help you. How it works. Airwallex Expense Management is a complete solution for managing your business's spending. You can issue virtual and physical corporate cards, set custom spend limits, track all spending from a single dashboard, and instantly review and approve expenses. Now, I'm going to run through the key features in more detail and explain how they can help you in real terms. Physical and virtual corporate cards for employees. Airwallex enables you to issue physical and virtual cards in multiple currencies to simplify your business's local and international spending. These are Visa debit cards, not credit cards. Purchases are deducted from the specific currency balance of your Airwallex business accounts. Issuing virtual cards takes just a couple of minutes, and your teams will be able to start using them online immediately. Now, you can also add them to digital wallets like Apple and Google Pay to make contactless payments in any stores that accept Visa. You can see all the purchases your teams make from a single dashboard in real time, so you always have visibility of your team's spending. You can also hold more than 20 currencies in your Airwallex account and spend those currencies using the corporate cards. Now, there are no transaction fees or currency exchange charges when spending any currency you hold. And that makes Airwallex a natural fit for businesses with international operations or remote teams. Custom spend limits, approval flows, and real-time tracking. You can set a variety of customizable spending limits on each expense card you issue and set controls that limit when, where, and how much cardholders can spend. You can also assign new cards for specific projects or timeframes, choose specific merchants or merchant types where employees can make purchases, and freeze or cancel cards in a click. You can create a dedicated card for your online ad spend, another card just for your offline office supply procurement, and 2 more cards for your team members for their travel expenses in other countries. Now, when it comes to approving team spending, you can create multiple approval layers based on predefined rules and permissions. For example, you can set spending thresholds and assign specific approvers for each card to add checks and balances to your spending. You also have real-time visibility of all your spending, regardless of the location. Each card has a clear payment trail, giving you insights into usage and trends, so that you can manage your budgets across projects, teams, and business units globally. You can also quickly identify potential anomalies or overspending and take immediate action by adjusting spend limits, freezing cards, or adjusting controls to help prevent misuse. A centralised dashboard for managing global team expenses. Now, all that functionality is great, but if you can't figure out how to use it, then you're back to square one. Fortunately, Airwallex has a centralised dashboard where you can manage and monitor your expenses easily. You have a full view of all your team's expenses in one place and can explore the details of each transaction across currencies, regions, and departments. Now, the dashboard is also intuitive and simple to navigate. That's one thing that we really like about Airwallex. Having reviewed other platforms like Soldo and Payhawk, we found Airwallex to be surprisingly easy to use given the number of features that it has. Integration with accounting tools. These days, to really streamline your business's processes, you need your essential systems to talk to one another, right? And that's another benefit of Airwallex. It integrates with popular accounting tools like Xero, QuickBooks, and NetSuite to automate expense reconciliation and reporting. That frees up you and your finance team to get on with other things. You can sync transactions, including receipts and expense details, integrate expense categories and tax rates to reduce manual entry, eliminate errors, and reimburse your teams more quickly. And if Airwallex doesn't offer direct integration with your platform, you can still use the custom plugin to upload your expense data and export it to your accounting software. Global spending. Alright, international spending is where Airwallex really comes into its own. It gives you local account details in key global markets so that you can hold foreign currencies and spend them using the corporate cards. Now, if you don't hold a particular currency, Airwallex will automatically convert your funds to make the payment. To do that, it uses the interbank exchange rate, which is the rate the bank uses when exchanging currencies with each other. It then adds a small markup of either 0.5 or 1% depending on the currency. Those rates are extremely competitive compared to other digital expense solutions and traditional banks. How expense management saves time. Okay, so we've looked at what Airwallex can do, but in practice, how do those features save you time? Well, as you and your finance team will already know, expense management admin is nobody's idea of a good time. Studies show that it takes around 20 minutes to complete and file a single expense report manually. That includes the time to gather receipts, complete the report, and submit it. Now, if your employees file an average of 10 expense reports a month, that's over 3 hours down the drain. Even if you're only a small company with 30 employees, that's 90 hours wasted every single month. And that's just the start of it. According to the Global Business Travel Association, on average, 19% of expense reports contain errors, with each mistake taking an average of 18 minutes to resolve. So it's hardly surprising there's a productivity problem when you think about all that wasted time. So how does Airwallex Expense Management make all of that better? Automatic receipt matching and categorizing. Well, firstly, Airwallex leverages AI to reduce errors and eliminate wasted time. As an example, if you run an agency that employs remote workers, your employees can simply forward their receipts to Airwallex, which automatically matches their expenses to card transactions. It can also extract the relevant details from receipts to avoid manual inputs and automate expense categorizations. That frees them up to spend more time on strategic and money-making tasks. It also minimizes the risk of human error in data entry and matching, giving you more accurate financial records. Instant card issuance. Being able to issue virtual cards also accelerates transactions and avoids the delays associated with traditional card delivery and activation processes, which can take weeks. Airwallex virtual cards are automatically activated upon issuance, allowing your team to make payments immediately. So let's say you run an e-commerce business. With Airwallex, you can issue cards instantly to perform quick and efficient online transactions. That enables you to procure the goods and services that you need to make your business tick, and can improve your relationships with advertisers, suppliers, and vendors. As Airwallex integrates with accounting systems, you can also automate the reconciliation process. That's vital when issuing multiple cards across your different products, projects, and teams. Faster approvals. The speed and efficiency of Airwallex also leads to faster approvals and fewer reimbursement requests. That can be a particular benefit to startup businesses where everything is so fast-paced. The ability to track and approve expenses in real time enables you and your team to make quick decisions and act on them. Quick approval of new card requests also enables employees to access company funds when they need. That reduces those annoying out-of-pocket expenses that can be such a drain on your finance team's time and resources. Is Airwallex the best expense management tool for SMEs? So, switching to an expense management platform like Airwallex can clearly save you time, but there are also plenty of other options. So, is it the best choice for your business? Well, if you're looking for an expense platform that you can manage from anywhere and your business operates internationally or has remote workers, we think Airwallex is tough to beat. Firstly, it's transparent about its pricing. If you want to track and control company spending, you'll need to sign up for the Grow account. It costs £49 a month, but there's no sign-up fee or hidden fees associated with currency conversions or transactions. The Grow package gives you access to all the expense management features I've discussed, plus 5 free employee cards per month and up to 50 company cards. You can also get the multi-currency wallets, high-speed global transfers, bank-beating currency conversion rates, and free local transfers to over 120 countries. Crucially, for growing businesses, Airwallex is also easily scalable. You can issue new cards in seconds. You can integrate with numerous platforms through APIs, and it holds global licenses so that you can move into new markets seamlessly. Now, 2 of the main alternatives in this space are Soldo and Pleo, and they're both good platforms. Soldo is a cheap but more basic offering that's better suited to the needs of smaller businesses, and Pleo is known for its easy-to-use and intuitive interface. However, they don't have the broad range of functionality that Airwallex provides, like the international payments and multi-currency accounts. And that's what I think gives it the edge. That said, Airwallex also has its limitations. There are no direct ATM withdrawals, so your teams won't have access to cash. And having multiple currencies and wallets may mean more functionality than your business needs if you don't operate internationally or have remote teams. So if you're wasting endless hours on expense admin and have overseas spending, let Airwallex do the work for you. From just £49 a month, you get access to a comprehensive range of smart global spending features that save you time, give you real-time visibility, and put you in control. Just click the link in the description to sign up or learn more. Right, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for much more.